Hello, and then see Mama Baba Jumedi so air gratitude so and then so ye dashon kupa ye babe bo bisunko e wo Jumedi so abaso and then so me amidi Jumedi enchiami ye frame Papa gratitude say eyo mama and then the dinner sisa inti so me kroma frame Papa gratitude na me bo ajo so say me bo abaso omo so ma say wo Jumedi enwe Nanny's cake Prime Concepts and Designs, Saint-Denis Beauty and Massage, Kersing Trends, any Bartown Music Record. Ain't no answer na yebeshe dwumadi na se no. Yebeko krom. Na se yeko kroma, ye ni mobile bedin komo se obi ye o papa impendo do sen na utunebo sa nipa na baso. How often do you show gratitude?
Bible no crack say obi efun wa say utimi e de eche no e de bi on so bi ade man say o dana se obi a pass da tina Bible no Yesu apatafo edu na ba ko pe e na be da ntu say so wan nkron no wo hefa tina say nyankopon kra pe aseda e na say wo ya de obi no da wase a wo nipa no wo say de mayama nipa yi nani aso e na thank you no as chene say next time me ho kire me a san ko a so that you send me nipa no mo a e say eja wasan so asa ko bi ti ya de hu nia ko say obi ya de mo a to show appreciation it mean e da na say e ma nipa na wo a wo no say say me nipa no onye yipa mu wo ya de mo na wo kai ti e sha ko primary ko bi a utimi e de ma na say mo obi bi no an kai a asma na no hia mo a me bo a wo e da se krampo e bo me Fantana and Kai, you pass answer and the woman has to be at the moment. Kai, na pass that a man, a silly funny class and next time. I know.
Okay, say the seeker gratitude, and I say, Bobia was no. Say my emergency chairman say, Obia dead the mouth, and print Pino, say the Bia Dani Danino, Ubuni Paconabaso. As Ubuni Paconabas, a muddy Nipacon, a yeno, a shining grana say, a motivating a man. Ubi a year at the Mawa. I saw Chelsea like the only pan yet the man when he saw. And Prempinu now done as advance na miniska and I saw and ran a miniska. The Pacono Boamen, I was saying, Shana, the Biam done as so on a mamming quan. Cause meaning, so one mamma and ending as one miscano, meaning see me and I say me. Tino Obia, they were so done as in Prempino. That's
then your baby saw papa or your mamma. Because Obon Ma, papa no one sure say when you saw or Jai Papa now or your mamma. As Obon saw. Or papa ma o yin said your own kindness or just said the oil man when you saw now in the pempi no media will be a baby mamma the money was a menis
Yamma Baba Jumedi subi so what's it senia nipa bebre acho madren afa senia ya se obi o papa o moda o ase so wonso so obi ya o papa impendro sen ena ya o da ase eya momeyenda ase. No matter what, niewo unini pantem. Kai papa wa yeo na wadanase. Na wabona baso. And then so sani ameka ye no, ene ye da sonko kra. Ye wo baby sonko. Da bia ameka se sa nipa yi oye nipa sonko. And wabeye emfasode bebre ama Ghana man. Ene amanone na meka the whole world. Waye emfasode kese ama yen. Oye assets ema Ghana mu nyina o si so no ana se o hye obrase no wanfa no ho anto nipa so na emum o penko se obebo moden a achieve ni opese o achieve wo abrabom enti no se o te Ghana hai na osua de wa amanone obo no ho moden se obesua de isane se na nani je arts ho enti no ofato no ho to se Obesua there were ICS International Correspondence School na Osia Fine Arts. Every ono wa bono homodin bebre. Wa bono homodin bebre ama Ghana man wiase ninara sinitwa mu en eba artworks mu chese meka adaje beboye. Na emom no ebia me eye me wanwa ye me sronko. Me pese meboso ansana wakutie no ho adanse ene djuma odi bebre no eyen Pan African Arts Ambassador enti sesia no edin na beda no so prekope oye ambassador afen so 40 under 40 awards onyamu bi ne edutwa mu kra sonko kra shadaka mu a eba ye nche ye kra ye free the Kingdom of Morocco Yamano Doctorate Award International Forum for Creative and Humanity Sesiano Bakon so asen abeka ye freno Ambassador Doctor enti enne muma misimaka krebi ni enko she Ambassador Dr. Prince Kojo Hilton AD na yebebo na baso.
Ambassador Dr. Prince Kojo Hilton is a multi-talented visual artist with almost 18 years professional experience that has gained him both local and international recognition. He is a product of the National Film and Television Institute, NAFTI, with a major in art direction and production design, 2014. Due to his hard work, passion, and incredible creativity ability, he had a rare opportunity as an understudy to Johnson Edu, his uncle, at the technical department of the National Theatre of Ghana, which helped launch his career to another level. His understudy was in the areas of scenic design, props design, makeup and special effect design, set design and construction. He has used his skills on a number of projects and he has gained the accolade of the first ever artist to create the first ever man-made volcano in Africa. This was for the Guinness Big Eruption concert in Accra, Ghana. He has worked on a number of films, TV commercials, TV studio sets, music videos, theater productions, and several live stage events. Adding to his prehistoric repertoire, he has worked as a scenic artist with Hollywood directors of the Matrix trilogy on the science fiction series Sense8, which was shot in Nairobi, Kenya in 2014. Kojo has worked with most of the multimedia firms and production houses of great renown in Accra, Ghana and across Africa. His passion and dedication to duty has caused him to accomplish staggering results within a short space of time. With regards to awards, Kojo has won several. Notable amongst them are the Osagifo Pan-African Eminence Art Director Production Designer Award 2016, the World Leader Laureate Epentesa B Award 2018, and the 40 Under 40 Award 2019 for the Theatre and the Arts category. He also won an honorary award from the School of Performing Arts, University of Ghana, Legon, in 2017. Other recognitions include nominations for the Global Arts Awards under the category of Ultimate Best Global Mixed Media Artist Award 2017 in Dubai. Yale University also awarded him a Citation of Inspiration in 2018. In 2019 in Nigeria, he was celebrated as a living legend by the World Institute of Peace and became the recipient of the World Icon of Peace Award. Kojo Hilton donated one of his cherished paintings to the National Museum of Ghana on the 16th of March 2019. Within the same year, two of his best stage design works were selected and displayed at the Prague Quadriennale of Performance, Design and Space in Czech Republic as African section for the set design and costume. Prince Kojo Hilton is a strong art advocate and for the past 17 years has single-handedly trained and mentored many young talents in Ghana, Nigeria, Gambia, and South Africa. He is the founder of PKH Arts Africa, Support Art Foundation, Haywood Studio, the Art Legendary Hall of Fame, Hilton Honorary Arts Awards, founder of the Visual Arts Student Empowerment Project, VASEP, and the founder of the Combat Show, Ghana's Greatest Artist. He received the Pan-African Republic Honorary Award 2019 and is currently the Pan-African Arts Ambassador. He is also the former chairman of the Ghana Association of Visual Artists, GAVA, from 2017 to 2019 for Greater Accra region. Ambassador Dr. Prince Kojo Hilton, from the team of the Gratitude Show, we say congratulations and Aiko.
ba gratitude mede so semwa mahu kotwa siye enwoma bebre ne nia waye edu twam semimpo mimi hu na mi hu ambassador doctor na che se menya wonwanwo bi na mehu se wode wani tu bibi so se obeye wa braboma bu hu abomfia nia wo hia ne se obekan akwa abrabomu na se wo kan kon so a ubeduo na emomu enen so de se na ma kire mo no e abaso body o nti ya bai de enu an se ye bebo na baso na ya banso ambassador doctor
Papa gratitude.
I wa be say me na so like my ba fie say me bebo wa baso. And niame hunne no I'm really impressed
By the grace of God. Nyame ne da na se. Nyame ne da na se. Na won so me da wase se otu anamo aba me fie ne se uba be bom abaso. Me da se many so papa.
Wajuma say
Me da se.
Wajuma che say bo
da Ghana man na se. Eno bibiara wa mama kwenya me use me talent ewo ejuma de bia mu nti mo ojuma mo ye na ebedru ba bia apo ama me bedru ba bia medru nti so me da se
answer no Omanishe your citation wa yedipo ye ambassador Dr. Prince Kojo Hilton Abaso wa magana din ashita ewa amanoni na ambassador yes say yamawa iko
gratitude I mean shout efo what wow
afen so anti wa me pam for baako the friend of Sentini Beauty and Massage
wow
or massage one more coupon say on your relaxed day eda wo nye juma eda unko studio nye juma na say unko setting ko ye juma just pass over what the bar obehu say papa gratitude and eduma
oh but that's it
or the ma nti no udu a coupon ni shemu o kire ne say me a wa obe massage anything you want ya ope bia type of massage ya ope bia no or the ma o
but that's it
afen su bi o ni e ho bi o no so
we
ya ba o papa another one so how ya pam for back on so o say ejuma we a we say me a minim pa say sometimes obekọ obeba na I will say oko interview send a interview and I say oko occasions ni sa nyoma and I say what point adwuma ba na say oba be dware ni sa nyoma no bibia wo boxing
wow
wo shower gel wo perfumes wo body splash bibia etete boxing your friend of Ferguson do store o say jiwe ambassador na fa hu na so be pia nwa
me da se we the many so hey me da befe me da se na me show what they saying Ferguson 19.store Ferguson.store na me show me da se me saka we there me so me saka
so nia yede bono tofa ni nani cake nani's cake say nia nyoma yede ba nyina say ampa say woso no you be so cake mu na be kate amaye na a kire say aye nyina so a kire say ye ba ha no was so abasabodi na ye de ba ye no was so me enti no ye nsemre ye be ko cake yi na ya ka ti cake to symbolize us acceptance enti no enti no me pa cho we dey miss your abi pija mu kakra masa the way dey miss
that's it
ye cha cake yo eja oba
And this is so concluding.
Amen. Ambassador.
Papa gratitude.
I can't Papa gratitude. I don't want to my
Sir. O sefata say you go so abaso.
Also sefata pa say abo abasele. Afi no senior de na koye no. Yen kasa be sir. But nemu no. Say ye di dwede ni be wi ye no. Me pese me o share the younger generation omoba who wants to omo pese omudi wachi no. E den no mo pese obetu omofo. E den na wo se omo ye to emulate you.
That's it. In fact, him in EJP say, and that question day, wait my boy around me fear now, what bomb about soon, you be brave, actually be brave. In fact, many saw papa, Yamin Shawnee, a Jumadi. Now, if we took a crowd, Miss Me War, Emma, a mantia almost per se, almost for visual arty, a so, a yen say. Bako, Mekano Potokasa. Bako, a focus. Near this so a year perseverance. And I'm near to me and son a year constant practice. Focus anything. Focus any say. Would they when we put a see baby so say obey. Sir, no primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, and I'm going to say no. At me kita chide sun kumbia metimi draw the money senepano metimi fa anya etimi ye bibi metimi fa clay na me ye bibi me fa chop me dimi design dan ho na me say chide we de ennoa na me so mde nyini. In fact menya problems perseverance no number 2 perseverance sem na make me ma me ene me nyano ma wo fie e feel say art na me ye no eya grobi na midi o me hu say ya adwuma e betimi di me ekosi baby pa dache nti menya brother ya bro me pa me ma me bro me pa o be hu say me drade a ene ese weni o to me bo me sa nso me say we ya me ka ma me say mama we na metima ye jame na menye nti obstacles be baba nso ese wo cp say we and o pese wo ye na suande ko wanim nye to so miensa constant practice ampa manfanya kwadro me leisure time bia me book se me draw de ani se me practice ani se me ye research ani se me cook internet so research YouTube koko na me ye research esuande ene hwabado abasobodi bebre wo mechi ene nso biomiasa be boma so mabaso anyway enti me semwa monfa art serious. There's prospects in the arts. So be better now, be no feel say and the arts drawing na painting ko boa eduma be brave wo bet me the art hwe bet my eduma theater bet my sinetwani wo bet my designer wo bet my fashion designer illustrator eduma de be brave nti say wo sipi say wo be sua de na wo ye research na wo di botai asi we ni so say brain na wo pese wo ye na nyankopon so beboa o bibie mu no fa sedam nyankopon na fa edwuma wo ye so ehye nyankopon so because nyankopon ene de mai art ya nyi na ka say God is an artist ampa this so de nyak achedi so aso mu so wo so betimi a create ya ese wo so na pem koso na obe kese me da say
Master doctor da wasi bebre ene afutu a odi ama yen emebua yesi suwa brabom ene o manga na nyina na emom o ka asem bi eto makoma so yi pa o say ansa na wo bedu ho no wo be pema ko wanim no e wo say wo ye focused e wo say wo unya perseverance na afin so constant practice abeboa wo eno ani the only way to success and then so ye did medie ya ya pon tofa ni amma ni din say gratitude abewiye omo so masin bi ni Saintly beauty and massage Nanny's cake someone who cake fefefe ya ye de bob bibia tofa Ferguson the store ebre ambassador toiletries and yoma bebra so ojaria odbe gugugu no ama ne ho ayehwam afen so casting trend ono ma me ho ye fe abribia e wo dwumadi yi so Bantam Music ono so wo ho ena Jockey Media House na afen so mi woni pa ba ku bi asema mo na ba so a enne mi nkofie ya friend Kiki Romi me director ba ko pe director 1 I salute you director wo ye opay mu afen so me namfofo me busuafo obi biara gratitude what try to also say obeboa na gratitude abaso no me da wase jumedie eye gratitude me a me bo jumedie nchia me no ye frame papa gratitude it is so share me okroma frame papa gratitude na me bo aje so say ye bo